All right, so I decided to shoot a real quick video showing you how to put the hat hoop onto the Brother PR680W. Also, I want to let you guys know you can go right here and go into your videos, and it literally shows you a walkthrough of how to put the whole entire hoop together, including the mounts and everything like that. So if you ever get lost, or if there's anything that you feel like I didn't show in enough details, that is an option. But without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, I got the A bracket on here for now. So let's take that off. And the way you do that is this. Right here, there's 3 screws. I don't know if you can see that real good on camera, but there's 1, 2, and this is the 3rd one right here. So what you want to do is unscrew these 2 right here, right behind the head of the machine. And these are the main attachment points for everything that you want to do as far as like changing out frames. So as you can see, I took this and this one out, and now it lifts. You don't need to take out the 3rd one right here. You can keep that one on there. And then store this very safely because you don't want it to get lost or broken. Once that's done, what you want to do is take the frame right here and put these to the back right here. This like little tab is going to be to the back of the machine, so it's going to go that way, like so. Let me zoom out so I can show you guys. So back here is going to go that way, and the tube at the front stays at the front so that you can snap on and off the attachments. This square right here is going to line up with this square right here, so you want to put it like so and slide it on. There's nothing else that you got to move or anything. The needle should be perfectly in place that it slides right under it. So once you get that, then you push it all the way to the back. And also, let me show you guys these screws right here. They got to be loosened ahead of time before you do that in order for it to slide all the way to the back. Otherwise, it's not going to go all the way. So let's put the square back and then push this all the way to the back like so. Now, I figured the underneath shot would be the best shot to show you guys how to do this. So this piece right here, this little bracket, this lines up and pushes into it like so. And it does the same thing on the other side. Let me show you guys the other side. So once again, right here, these brackets right here, this lines up perfectly on the outside ones. So it's the same thing for both of them. It lines up on the outside of this one and the outside of the previous one. Once you push it all the way in like so, then we can go to the top, but later on we're gonna come back under here to screw these in. All right, so now that we got that pushed right there, there's a hole at the top right here of this. That's gonna go right onto this little dot right here, this nub right here. So this can slide this way and that way. So what you wanna do is slide it till it get to the point where it can fit right there, and make sure that down here is still pushed into where we said earlier on both sides. So push it in like so. And you see, once I pushed it in, this made more than enough room. So you're just gonna match the hole with the hole right there. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So once you got those pushed in like that, and they'll pretty much stay there by themselves without you screwing the screw in yet. You wanna push this back here and also push the left-hand side as well back firmly like so. And then you wanna twist it while holding the other one until this one locks in place. Like so. And once you get that one locked in place, then you want to do the same with the other one. And now I want to make sure that these are locked in place. And now I can take the screws that I unscrewed earlier from the A bracket and put them into the holes right here and right here. So this is what the hole looks like up close. And what you want to do is put this right here in and screw it like that until it's locked in place. Once we do that, we want to do that on the other side as well. You just screw it in until it's locked in place like so. And once we did all that, then we can wobble this around just to make sure it's locked in place and it's firm. It's not moving and it's not going anywhere. If anything does move, then that means one of the 4 screws that you screwed in weren't tight enough. So you just want to check them and make sure.